from the high hills of Longkeng with no education, and you plant those seeds in the United States of America. And today, your dreams and your vision, these are the sons, not of your body, but of your people, that follow your footsteps. And we are so proud of you. Many times, we do not remember why we are here. But us military, we are trained and we do remember. That is why we are here today. To Colonel Bill Air, from the Hmong American military, we thank you for being a great friend to General Vang Pao from the start to the end. When I saw you here yesterday, you are a true American ally to the Hmong people. We are indebted to you. Without you and General Vang Pao, none of us will be in this room. I want to thank you personally. Quý hai minh trí vô lâm mong có gì là cái cảm cảm minh trí thế, yêu sợ minh trí thao cho nó cho chứ ít trồng nhà trồng cứ tin anh cho sẽ đời sự sang nhà là phun trái nền chẳng muốn lôi chạy tôi bây giờ tôi xin hãy phun tôi cho ra chi để chỉ bây giờ cho tôi cho là tí thái xin hãy phun giờ khó bê chào chập là cái bê sao cơ khi đó nên bố hay tiệt nu nó Singapore sát thó lúc kể cho một chỗ tòa Arlington National Cemetery to Secretary of the Army hay tiệt nên phun chỉ do ý tưởng qua là thằng này sao tụi xưa sao kể những chuyện mua để chỉ nhớ là cũng cái đó nè tiệt nãy buồn khi tao lúc khó trông cho bây giờ tôi cho ta nó là chúng ta phải chạy chứ khó nói giờ ít khó lúc gì lo cho con mày lo những chuyện tiệt chỉ nhớ nó nãy buồn ít lên nó khi tao áp phá từ lúc khó trông giờ tôi bây giờ tôi phải mong我ท่านแต่สินะ我弄了多ยิ่ง否到他肯定包了的赶紧我都写了都结论去你จะ装上要จะไปจะมองตอนเด่นนะอย่ากูทักให้เราในป้อเรื่องอะไรเป็นหมวดทหารสี่ตัวสองหนึ่งสองห้าเขาก็ทำได้มาสี่ก็มูลเขาก็ลูกของส่งไปเจ้าตุ้จ้าก็ชิ้นได้ตอนนี้นะไปให้ในมองอย่าจู่ชายตัวในพลซื้อแล้วเราได้เจอมีกันนะนู่นนะอย่าไปเจ้าตุ้จ้านู่น走路时候莫坚持ไปเจ้าตุ้จ้า用脚走路坚持莫在一起他我这